Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this mid-range pool robotic cleaner from Lydsto. This is the Lydsto S3 robotic pool cleaner, completely cordless, rechargeable, and great for getting your pool clean. Now during this review, I'm going to be cutting into footage of seeing this thing in action cleaning my pool. My pool is a very freeform, odd-shaped pool, so I always say if a robot can get my pool clean, it can get any pool clean, and this does a great job on my pool. Now with this, you're going to get about 3 hours of cleaning on a charge. That's because it has a 15,000 mAh battery built into it to have plenty of power to really get your pool clean. It comes with a quad motor 4-wheel drive system, so you can see it has 4 separate wheels. Each of those wheels operate independently with that quad motor, which means it can turn on a dime, and really high precision cleaning. It uses a IMU sensor and ultrasonic technology to kind of know where it is inside your pool, and to use a really smart algorithm to very systematically clean your entire pool. And it will clean not just the floors, but also the walls and waterline. It has a nice rubber wheel, PVC wheel in the front there that is scrubbing the floors and scrubbing the walls. So it's not just sucking stuff up, it's also actually scrubbing and cleaning your walls and your pool floor. It also has a filter inside there that will capture all that stuff, and it's going to pull up everything because it has a dual suction system. So it's pulling in with 2 large, you can see on the top there, the 2 dual suction system where it's pulling all that water through. It's pulling a ton of water through. It's going to get all the debris, and it's got a superfine filter, so it's going to get not just your big stuff like your leaves, twigs, insects, things like that. It also get the really fine particles like sand and dirt and dog hair, things like that. It'll trap it all in that filter basket. Now you can program this to clean just the floors if you just need your floors clean, or just your walls, or you can have it clean both. Easy to do. If you connect this to the app, you can connect this to the app through Bluetooth, connect to it, you can update firmware that way, but you can also tell it what to do, but you don't have to use the app at all. It's all self-contained. You power it on by long pressing that power button there in the center, and then you press it just once to switch between the 3 modes. You've got your indicators right there on the robot. Once you've got it set up, you drop it in, and off it goes. It'll start cleaning your pool. Now when it cleans the walls and cleans the water line, it doesn't go along the water line, it just cleans up to the water line, and very systematic, goes up, goes down, moves over, goes to the next spot, goes all the way around your pool. If you're doing both the walls and the floors, it'll do the walls first. When it's done doing the walls, it'll start doing the floors. And it'll run for 3 hours cleaning, making sure it's getting every single spot in your pool sparkling clean. Really, really easy to use. Really excellent product. Once it's finished cleaning, it's going to park itself near a wall. Use the hook that comes in the box on a pole to pull it out of the water. Take that filter basket out, take it over and rinse it out, clean all the dirt and stuff off, and then drop it back in, plug it in to charge, and then you're ready to go for the next time. This is a really excellent product by Lydsto. They make some of the best robotic pool cleaners you can buy. This one is no exception. Really great cleaning power. You got that scrubber. You've got that really strong suction power with the 2 dual suction system. You've got the quad core motor so that it turns precisely and can precisely clean your pool. After it finishes running, you're going to find that your pool is nice and clean. No more dirt or twigs or leaves or insects on the floor. The walls are nice and clean. Everything is ready to go. So if you're looking for an easy way to keep your pool clean, then this robotic pool cleaner, the S3 from Lydsto, is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All the videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Favorite this playlist. Keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.